Please play this part at the induction ceremony.
Sorry, Jason.
Oh my goodness.
I'll play something more wholesome.
We're talking about for the video. I don't think we can put that song on there.
Johnny, Papa.
That's the bass.
Johnny. Sugar. No Papa.
Okay. We can put the last song, but cut this. Let's do a small stand-up and cheer.
Alright, guys. Fights on.
On three, go Longhorns.
Alright, guys. Longhorns on 3. 1, 2, 3. Go
Longhorns.
There we go.
Do you want me to do the actual this round?
They know right now they know the values of the molarity of their hydrogen and chloride, their hydrochloric acid, but they don't know the molarity of their unknown base. And then, because you know they cancel them out, you'll get the formula N times V equals N times V, and they can use that to solve for the missing N, which is molarity, which is moles per liter.
Usually it's like...
How do you feel, Miss Keller?
Good.
We have Jan Keller with an appreciation mug from SWE. The competition was very, very close this year. In fourth place, we're going to recognize two separate teams, one with 28 parts per thousand error and one with 27 parts per thousand error. Next, in third place, we had two teams, each with 25 parts per thousand error. Wow. And Robert McKnight and Keelan Liegler. Next, our second place winner with 24 parts per thousand. So keeping in mind all of these were separated by 1 parts per thousand each. The only team to break under the 2% error mark at 19 parts per thousand.
Holy placers. Winners of free ice cream. That's all I was in this for.